Embrace each new day as an opportunity to grow, learn, and make a positive impact. Start with a smile on your face and a heart full of gratitude. Life is a beautiful journey, and every day is a chance to write a new chapter. Remember, your attitude and actions can shape not only your day but also the world around you. So, make today count, be kind, and believe in yourself. You have the power to make a difference. Details. Embrace each new day. Encourages the reader to approach each day with a positive and open mindset. Opportunity to grow and learn. Reminds us that every day presents opportunities for personal growth and learning experiences. Make a positive impact. Encourages individuals to consider how their actions can influence others and the world in a positive way. Start with a smile and gratitude. Suggests that beginning the day with a positive outlook and a sense of gratitude can set a positive tone. Life as a beautiful journey. Encourages seeing life as a journey full of experiences and adventures. Write a new chapter. Encourages embracing change and using each day as a chance to create a new and meaningful story. Attitude and actions matter. Reminds the reader that their attitude and actions can have a profound impact on their day and the world. Be kind. Encourages kindness and compassion toward others. Believe in yourself. Reinforces the importance of self-confidence and self-belief in achieving personal goals and making a difference.